Hey Calibrate family, welcome back. I was kind of curious. Can I fit this square peg, or rectangular, I should say, into this hole right here? Let's find out. Stick around, I'll see you right after this. All right, guys, I know you heard the saying that you can't get a square peg into a round hole. Well, this is actually rectangular, but you get the picture. Okay, so we're gonna create our hole first, and we're gonna do that with a 5/16 drill bit. But we want our hole to be straight. We don't want any angles or offsets to it. We don't want to freehand it. We want a guide. We don't have a drill press to give us that perfectly straight hole. But what you can do is you can take two pieces of wood, make sure that they're thin enough to allow the drill bit to penetrate your material fully, or at least to the depth that you want it to go. Put them together at a right angle. Put your drill bit right in the corner there. And you should have a relatively straight hole. If you got some metal with a right angle to it, that's also a good way. It's probably even more stable because it's metal. All right, so that looks pretty straight. Now, how do we get this into this tiny little hole right here? Well, I'm gonna take my 5/16 drill bit and create a slight indentation into the wood here. I did that so when I put this into this hole, it'll match. Now I'm going to take my angle grinder with my 4.5-inch flat disc and carve around the indentation I just put in there. Not quite, but we're almost there. So I tried cutting this piece off with the miter saw, and I didn't have it clamped correctly on there, so this is what happened. So I guess it's back to square one. All right, guys, so here's our second attempt. We're gonna use our bench grinder to smooth this out from here on out. This is the rough wheel, and this is the smooth wheel. Hey, it's amazing what you can do with a few tools. Angle grinder, bench grinder, drill. You can even fit a square or rectangular piece of wood into a round hole. Hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.